Institute has held a two-day training for magistrates on the Criminal Procedure Act of 2024. The training was meant to further keep the magistrates abreast with key provisions of the Act and to ensure that justice is served. Our reporter Mohammed Kuma has more.
In a gathering full of eminent legal minds, it was deemed necessary for judges and magistrates to be fully engaged on critical aspects of the Criminal Procedure Act of 2024. The Act continues to serve as a pivotal legal authority that is said to have made many reforms within the justice sector. It was on that basis that the Judiciary of Sierra Leone, through the Judicial and Legal Training Institute, held a two-day training for magistrates across the country on the Criminal Procedure Act of 2024. Chief Justice Komba Kamanda was pleased with the venture, stating that capacity building was part of his reforms. He admitted that whenever there is a new legislation, it is necessary that its provisions are properly digested, especially by magistrates.
We know that normally when legislations come into effect, they have their own challenges and pitfalls. The facilitators here are going to help you to go through it, to make sure that when you get back to your various courts, various magistrate courts, you will be able to implement what is provided for in the new Criminal Procedure Act.
The Attorney General and Minister of Justice Alpha Sisi enlisted a number of reforms that had been made in the new Criminal Procedure Act, adding that the Act seeks the interest of both the defendant and the complainant.
Key changes include provisions for alternative and suspended sentencing for certain offences, enhanced witness protection, expedited trials, reduced case backlogs, as well as strengthened due process and legal representation for defendants. So hence, we believe that if we manage this process very well, if we implement the provisions if we apply the provisions in the Act, we will make the legal process swift.
The magistrates were taken through various topics such as the management and administration of criminal cases in the magistrate court, which included committal proceedings, summary trials, competent compellability, among others. Justice of the Supreme Court, who also doubles as the acting head of the Judicial and Legal Training Institute, Fatmata Bintu Al-Hadi, said upon the completion of the training, the magistrates were expected to increase efficiency and to ensure fairness in judicial proceedings. The Judicial and Legal Training Institute is meant to provide education and professional development to legal and judicial professionals. For SLBC, Mohammed Kouma reporting.